Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember I did a review for soulpick.io on my YouTube channel. Yeah, you can go back to the video that I did about them. They support so many things, they have so many ways of making online through surveys and playing games and contents. But I did a withdrawal, yeah, like a month ago, and it hasn't been sent up to now. But to my shock, I got a notification here. A ticket from one of the admin, because I sent a message to the admin telling them that my withdrawal is taking so much long, and this is what this is the email that I sent, and this is the reply that they told me. They told me to tell them where I'm from, and then straight away I knew if I proceed with this conversation, I'm going to be told to send my ID details. And remember, we don't like sites that require our identity information, because that's very private information. We don't like just sharing it with anybody. So if you're anyone who wants to start working on Soulpick, this is just an update video telling you that don't waste your time if you don't have an ID for your country. Yeah, so if you're having UK, make sure you have a UK ID. So if you're not from that country, don't bother registering Soulpick with another country where you don't have details for that particular country. So guys, don't waste time on soulpick.io. They're asking for identity verification. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope those people who are asking for feedback from the review that I did, hope this video settles your answers. Thank you for watching, and keep it locked to my next video.